this quick guide, we will walk you through how to book a new hotel on our platform. Click on Hotel Now in the box, enter the city's name and select from the drop-down option. Then add the check-in date and check-out date by selecting the month and date. Once done, click on Search. Once the hotels appear, click on the Select Room. Now, scroll down and select More options. Then, refer to more options if required. After this, check for the cancellation policy and essential information. Once checked, click on Book Now. Now, under Customer Details, enter mobile number, email address. Then, add the traveler's name and last name and click Continue. Now, under the Payment Mode, review the payment mode and add the remarks. Then, click on Book Hotel Now. Review your booking, tick to confirm the package rates and terms and conditions. Then, click on Book Hotel. Once done, do share your valued feedback with us and submit.